In this quick video, we will learn how to track 3D motion using Mocha in After Effects. Let's begin. I have added a clip on my composition. Select your layer and now we will go to Effects and Presets. Here we will search Mocha. This is a inbuilt plugin in Adobe Effects. You don't need to install it separately. Double click on this icon on Mocha under Effect Controls, and this will open your clip in Mocha interface. Here you see we got our clip. So basically we are interested in this tool which is called X-Spline. Select it and draw your selection point. For example, I want to track from here to here, and here and here. To release the tool, simply right click on your mouse and here we go. And now we can adjust corners using these blue handles. Maybe you want to adjust your selection point here and a little bit here. If you want to expand it for some reason, you can expand the area. I will leave it as it is. Here we see tracking option and we will enable this perspective button. And now we will start tracking. Mocha will now track selected area frame by frame. Okay, our tracking is complete. Activate planar grid by simply clicking on this grid option and play your video. If you see the grid is shaky or wobbly, it's good time to restart your tracking. So far looks good. So I'm happy with the tracking. Now what we will do, we will stop, go to the menu, save our project, close this window. Now we are back in After Effects. We will expand tracking data and click on Create Track Data. We can also view tracking data by selecting the layer and pressing U on the keyboard. To hide tracking data, simply press U again. And now we want to put something in this area. Go to project file area. Here I have already imported an image called glass panel and I want to put this glass panel on the area which we track. I will put this panel on the top of my layer. Now I will select layer we tracked earlier and copy its anchor point values. Ctrl C for Windows, Command C for Mac. Now select glass panel image layer, go to anchor points under transform and paste those values using Ctrl V for Windows, Command V for Mac. Now select layer we tracked earlier, go to Effect Controls, make sure export option is set to corner pin and then go to layer export to and select glass panel image and now click on apply export. Boom, glass panel is now fixed. And now let's see our final composition.